Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make stir-fry doner. First, ensure your doner meat is thinly sliced and ready to cook. Dice 1 medium onion and 2 colorful bell peppers into uniform pieces for even cooking. Measure out your preferred stir-fry sauce, approximately 1/4 cup, and have a tablespoon of high-heat cooking oil, like vegetable or canola, standing by. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient cooking process. Now let's get cooking. Place a large wok or skillet over medium-high heat and allow it to get very hot. Add 1 tablespoon of your chosen cooking oil, swirling to coat the pan. Introduce the pre-cooked doner meat, spreading it in a single layer. Sear the meat for 3 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until it develops a nice crispy texture and is heated through. This step is crucial for flavor. With the doner meat perfectly seared, it's time to add the fresh vegetables. Toss in your diced onions and bell peppers, stirring them frequently with the meat. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes, just until they are tender crisp, retaining a slight bite. Finally, pour in approximately 1/4 cup of your favorite stir-fry sauce, ensuring every piece of meat and vegetable is thoroughly coated. To finish, continue to stir-fry for about 1 more minute, allowing the sauce to slightly thicken and cling to all the ingredients. Give it a quick taste and adjust any seasonings if needed, perhaps a pinch of salt or a dash of chili flakes. Serve your delicious stir-fry doner immediately, either alongside fluffy rice or tucked into a warm pita bread for a satisfying meal. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.